Have you ever bitten into a dish and thought it was just a bit too spicy? Well, today, let's dive into karai, a term you'll often hear when discussing flavors or challenging emotions. The word karai means spicy or hot in taste, like when you eat something with a lot of chili. It can also be used more broadly to describe something painful or harsh, usually describing situations or experiences that are difficult to bear emotionally. The first kanji means spicy, hot, or a kind of hardship or pain. In the word karakchi, it brings the sense of sharpness or spiciness in taste. In the word shimbo, it expresses difficulty or hardship, and so the combined meaning becomes patience or endurance. He likes spicy food. 彼は辛いものが好きです。彼は辛いものが好きです。After seeing the result of the final exam, he felt heartache. 最後の試験の結果を見て、彼は心が辛かった。最後の試験の結果を見て、彼は心が辛かった。Curry uses spicy seasonings. カレーは辛い調味料を使います。カレーは辛い調味料を使います。Do you like spicy food? 辛い食べ物は好きですか？辛い食べ物は好きですか？ The most common synonym of the word karai is shinnatsu. While karai often describes a spicy taste or emotional pain, shinnatsu tends to be used more figuratively, like when describing harsh criticism. The most common antonym of the word karai is amai. Karai pertains to spicy flavors or tough situations. Amai can describe sweet flavors or kind and gentle experiences. They serve as opposites when discussing both flavors and emotional states.